Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any electrostatic discharge. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and replace the battery without damaging any components. Start by powering down your HP 15's fq2149ns and unplugging it from any power source. Once it's completely off, flip the laptop over and locate the battery release latch. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the battery. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Next, gently slide the battery latch to the unlock position. Using the plastic prying tool, carefully lift the battery away from the laptop's chassis. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. If you encounter resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. With the old battery removed, take a moment to clean the battery compartment using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help remove dust and debris, ensuring a clean environment for the new battery. If you're unsure about the cleaning process or need assistance, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, take your new battery and align it with the battery connectors in the laptop. Firmly press down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are securely fastened but not overly tight, as this could damage the battery or the laptop. Once the battery is secured, flip the laptop back over and plug it into a power source. Power on your laptop to ensure it recognizes the new battery. It's always a good practice to check the battery status in the settings to confirm everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues during this process or feel uncomfortable performing the replacement yourself, don't hesitate to contact us. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you. With no calls and no travel required on your part, we can take care of the repair for you. Remember, you will receive a quote before any repair is conducted, ensuring transparency in pricing. In summary, replacing the battery in your HP 15's fq2149ns is a straightforward task if you have the right tools and follow the steps carefully. Always prioritize safety, and don't hesitate to reach out for professional help if needed. This ensures your laptop remains in optimal condition and extends its lifespan. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.